Hi everyone, Kononenko here, and today I want to show you how to reverse a clip in Premiere Pro. We're here inside Premiere Pro and we've got this clip that we're going to be working with. I'm just going to drop this into the main timeline. So let's say we want to reverse this video clip of a surfer. First thing that I'll do is just create a copy of this clip and let's just paste that clip over here. So edit, paste. Now we've got a copy of this clip. To reverse it, right click on this new clip and where it says speed/duration, click on that. All you need to do to reverse it is click reverse speed over here and click OK, and the clip is now reversed. So I'm just going to play it from this point onwards and you will see that the clip is now reversed. So here it's reversing. You can see that effect of the clip now being reversed. If you need to apply any additional effects, you can do that from over here. So once again, go into speed/duration and you can adjust the speed. So for example, if I want it to be slightly slower from the point where it reverses, I can make it, let's say 70%. I can see that now duration is going to be 20 seconds. Press OK, and we will see that now in action. So when I press play, you can see that now it's reversed and it's now reversing slower than what it was before. To set it back to 100%, once again, go into speed/duration, put the speed back to 100%, click OK, and if you now want to just keep the reversed copy of the clip, you can delete the original, hit delete, and then just drag that over to where you want to use the reversed version of the clip. And there you go. This is exactly how to reverse a clip in Premiere Pro. Thanks so much for watching, guys. My name is Kononenko. Now you know how to reverse a clip in Premiere Pro. If you found this video useful, then please hit the like button just below this video. And also subscribe to this channel to receive future videos from me related to video editing and Adobe Premiere Pro. If you now want to learn how to turn your video editing skills into a lucrative full-time career, then check the guide in the description below. I've got a free download for you. In that free guide, I explain how to turn your video editing skills into a profitable side hustle and eventually into a full-time business. So check the links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.